it's Caitlin. Today we are making the official Chipotle guacamole. By the way, don't forget to get your More Extra Than Guac shirt in the link below. To make this delicious and easy guacamole, we're going to need 4 avocados. Let's start by cutting them in half and removing the pits. Tap your knife against the pit to remove it from the avocado, and swipe your knife against a bowl to safely release the pit from your knife. Add the avocados to a medium-sized bowl. Next, we're going to need some refreshing acidity. We will need 4 teaspoons of lime juice. If you roll the lime on a hard surface, it will loosen the juices and make squeezing a lot easier. Cut your fresh lime and extract the juice. Add the 4 teaspoons of lime juice to the avocados. We're also going to add a half teaspoon of coarse kosher salt to our avocados. Using a potato masher or a fork, mash the avocado mixture until you've reached your desired consistency. Chipotle likes it chunky and so do I, so I'm going to stop before it's too late. Now we're going to chop a fresh red onion and add a half cup of red onion to our guacamole. Now, let's spice it up. We're going to dice 1 jalapeno and add that to our guacamole. We're also going to chop some fresh cilantro and add about a 1/4 cup of the cilantro to our guacamole. Now fold all of the ingredients together until combined. Enjoy! And there you go, that's how you make Chipotle's official guacamole. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what is your favorite Chipotle menu item. Check out more Chipotle recipes over here and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you and I will see you next time.